The second lesson about trigonometry regards a particular class of questions that you'll find in exams. These are called usually the circular measure questions. You have solved similar questions before, particularly if you had HCSE. This is not going to be anything new. You have to find perimeters and areas of different shapes. The only difference is that now you're going to use the radians instead of degrees. And this only works with radians. Okay, so let's take a full circle to begin with. All right, you know that the perimeter equals to 2 pi r, right? And you know that the area of a full circle equals pi r squared. You know this for a long time. All right, you also know now that the angle in radians is 2 pi. Okay, this is for you to start having a perception of how these formulas over here relate with the angle in radians. Okay, if you have now half of a circle, then the perimeter is going to be half of what you had, and the area is also going to be half of what you had, right? So the perimeter is pi r, the area is pi r squared over 2. The angle is pi radians, right? If you have 1 radian, then what's going to be the perimeter? By definition, the perimeter is going to be r, right? It's the same as the radius. That's how a radian is defined, if you remember from the first lesson. What is going to be the area? Now, in case you haven't noticed, I'm going to show you. Well, I'm going to start with this one. If the angle is pi, right? And if here in the formula for the area you have pi r squared over 2, this pi is the angle, right? Over here, what was the angle? It was 2 pi. So you had 2 pi r squared over 2, which is just pi r squared. If now the angle is 1 radian, what is the value that you plug over there? Is 1 r squared over 2. This means that whatever the angle you have, the value for the area is going to be that angle in radians times r squared over 2. A similar approach will show that the perimeter for whichever angle is just going to be that angle in radians times the radius, and that's it.